Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel E-Commerce Project tutorial. In this video, we will cover how to delete a brand. So let's see how can we delete the brand. So go to the VS Code and first of all let's open the AdminController. So just go inside the app directory, then HTTP controllers and let's open the AdminController. And here let's create another function. So right here public function and function name which is brandDelete, and inside this brandDelete function just pass here one argument which is id. Okay, and inside the function first fetch here the brand according to the this id. Okay, so right here $brand is equal to model name which is brand colon findOrFail method, and inside this method just pass here this id. Okay, $id. Now after getting the brand, first check here if brand has image stored, then first unlink directive is used to delete the file. Okay, so inside this unlink directive just pass here the path of the brand image. Okay, then inside this unlink method just pass here the brand thumbnail image path. Okay, it will delete the brand image and it will delete the brand thumbnail image. And after deleting the image just delete the brand, so call here the delete method. So right here $brand arrow delete, and after this just to return back, so right here just remove this and simply write here return back with this key, success key, and add here the message brand deleted successfully. Okay, now save the file and let's create the route for this function. So go to the routes directory and open web.php, and inside this middleware route group after this let's create a new route here, route colon delete, and URI which is admin/brandDelete, and pass here the route parameter which is id, and then controller name and function name, and just put here the route name which is admin.brand.delete. Now go to the brands view file. So inside the resources directory views admin, and let's open the brands.blade.php file, and inside this file let's find here the delete link. So inside the table body you can see here this is the edit link and here is the delete link. Okay, so before this button first of all just add here a form and put here the method which is post, and then action is equal to double curly bracket and route, and pass here the route name which is admin.brand.delete, and then pass here the id. Okay, and just remove this, and also inside this form just put here the form id. So right here id is equal to delete dash form dash double curly bracket and then brand arrow id. Okay, and inside this form just put here the @csrf and method which is delete, and after this button just close here the form. Okay, now before deleting the brand let's show here a confirmation dialog box, modal box. For that go to the template repository, and inside this template repository just go inside the admin folder and let's open the brands.php, and from here after this main content you can see here this is the delete model template. So let's copy this div, select this and copy and go back to the brands view file, and after this main tag, closing main tag, just paste here. Okay, Now go back to the template repository, and from here let's copy this script. So just select and copy, and after this div just paste here the JavaScript code. Inside the JavaScript, first grab the delete modal using their ID, and then from the model just get here the confirm button, then cancel button, and then a brand name span. Okay, then here create two variable, first variable which is for row to delete, and second is for brand ID to delete. And after this this function is for showing the model. Okay, and this function is for closing the model, and this is for handle the delete button action, click action. Okay, so inside this callback function just remove this and add here code. First check here the brand ID to delete. Okay, and then just remove this, and then if brand ID to delete has value, then first get here the form according to their ID. So right here const form is equal to document dot get element by ID, and put here the ID delete dash form, and inside this just pass here the this one brand ID to delete. Okay, and here this is the tick sign, back tick sign. Okay, and inside this just put here this code, and after this just call here first check here if a form is true, then call here the submit method. Okay, it will submit the form. Now save this. Now inside this delete ring, inside this form, and here inside this button on click delete brand method, just right here just remove this and add a double curly bracket, then dollar brand arrow name. Okay, passing here the brand name, and then pass here the brand ID. So right here dollar double curly bracket, then dollar brand arrow ID. And now inside this button also add here the button type, which is button. Okay, now save this. Now it's done, so let's check. So just refresh the page and let's delete this product. So just click on this delete link. This is the confirmation. Okay, are you sure you want to delete brand 3 update? This is the brand name. Okay, if I click on cancel, it is not deleted. Now again just click on delete link, and this time just click on delete, and you can see here brand 3 has been deleted. Okay, this is the success message. Now let's delete this one. So click on this delete link, click on delete, and you can see here brand 2 has been also deleted. This video covers brand deletion for the admin. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the next parts of this series. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.